Assalamualaikum. My name is Aksa Salim and today we will discuss about MCQs on water analysis. First one is water is dash solvent. Option A natural, option B universal, option C elemental and option D all of these, and the correct option is universal. Second, for safety of water, water is done. Option A periodic laboratory test, option B fundamental analysis, option C both A and B, and the correct option is A periodic laboratory test. Third one is determination of water quality include option A physical characteristics, option B chemical and biological characteristics, and option C all. The correct option is C all. Fourth, water testing parameters are option A pH, option B odor, option C temperature, and option D all. The correct option is D all. The following unit is not used for water turbidity. MCQ number 5th. Option A NTU, option B ATU, option C JTU, and option D FTU. The correct option is B ATU. Sixth, the water temperature should be preferably less than the dash degree. Option A 10, option B 20, option C 25, and option D 30. The correct option is 25. Seventh, a technique used to determine the concentration of odor compounds in the known samples is option A settling, option B stripping, option C both A and B, and option D chlorination. The correct option is B stripping. Eighth, in filtration the amount of dissolved solids passing through filter rate is option A difference between total and dissolved solids, option C total solids, option D none, and the correct option is difference between total and dissolved solids. Ninth, total solids can be reduced by option A distillation, option B osmosis, option C ion exchange, and option D all. The correct option is D all. 10th, water has less than 1000 milligram per liter of total dissolved solid. Option A saline water, option B brine water, option C fresh water, and option D alkaline water. Correct option is C fresh water. 11th, following cause alkalinity in water. Option A potassium carbonate, option B potassium bicarbonate, option C sodium carbonate, and option D all. Correct option is D all. 12, temporary hardness caused due to option A calcium carbonate, option B magnesium carbonate, option C both, option D none. Correct option is B magnesium carbonate. 13, permanent hardness caused due to option A magnesium sulfate, option B magnesium bicarbonate, option C magnesium carbonate, and D all. Correct option is A magnesium sulfate. 14th, according to WHO, water has 0 to dash milligram per liter as calcium carbonate. Option A 30, option B 40, option C 60, and option D 70. The correct option is C 60. 15, dash cause teeth of children molted and discoloring. Option A chlorides, option B fluorides, option C iodides, and option D all. The correct option is B fluorides. 16, fluorides can be removed by option A reverse osmosis, option B lime softening, option C ion exchange, option D all, and the correct option is D all. 17th, the source of arsenic in water is option A industrial waste, option B fertilizers, option C phosphate rocks, option D all, and the correct option is D all. 18, the process of nutrient enrichment is option A eutrophication, option B limiting nutrients, option C enrichment, and option D all, and correct option is A eutrophication. 19th, fresh water is limited by option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C phosphorus, and option D none of them, and the correct option is C phosphorus. 20, the tanks that supply water to towns are built at option A roofs of building, option B high towers, option C low towers, and option D all, and correct option is B high towers. 21, Water testing parameter TS stands for option A total liquids, option B limited solids, option C total solids, and option D none. And the correct answer is C total solids. 22. Total solid is a mixture of option A TDS plus TSS, option B TSS plus TST, option C TLD plus TDS, option D TTL plus TUS, and the correct option is A TDS plus TSS. 23. TDS stands for option A total dissolved solids, option B total solids, option C both A and B, option D none, and the correct option is A total dissolved solids. 24. TDS ranges option A 1 to 10,000, option B 1 to 15,000, option C 1 to 20,000, and option D 1 to 30,000, and the correct option is 1 to 20,000. 25. TSS stands for option A total dissolved solids, option B total suspended solids, option C both A and B, and the correct answer is B total suspended solids. 26. TSS ranges option A 1 to 10,000 milligram per liter, option B 1 to 15,000 milligram per liter, option C 1 to 20,000 milligram per liter, and option D all. And the correct answer is A 1 to 10,000 milligram per liter. 27. In water testing parameter, the calcite and dolomite are option A gravimetric method, option B volumetric method, option C titrometric method, and the correct answer is option C titrometric method. 28. High concentration of fluoride cause option A headache, option B lung disease, option C cancer, option D tooth decay, and the correct answer is D tooth decay. 29. Phosphorus promotes option A microorganisms growth, option B plant growth, option C fungi growth, and the correct answer is A microorganisms growth. 30. Key element in water pollution is option A code, option B wood, option C DO, and option D all. Correct answer is C DO dissolved oxygen. 31. Dissolved oxygen range in fresh water option A 5 to 6 milligram per liter, option B 6 to 12 milligram per liter, option C 18 to 22 milligram per liter, option D 0 to 13 milligram per liter, and the correct answer is B 6 to 12 milligram per liter. 32. Dissolved oxygen range in seawater surface option A 6 to 12 milligram per liter, option B 18 to 25 milligram per liter, option C 8 to 12 milligram per liter, and option D 6 to 18 milligram per liter, and the correct answer is 8 to 12 milligram per liter. 33. Which instrument used in board option A board incubator, option B board indicator, option C board digester, and the correct answer is A board incubator. 34. Which instrument used in code option A code incubator, option B code digester, option C code indicator, and the correct answer is B code digester. 35. Equipments used in water analysis are option A spectrophotometer, option B pH meter, option C TDS meter, and option D all. Correct answer is D all. 36. BORD stands for option A biological oxygen demand, option B British oxygen demand, option C both. Correct answer is A biological oxygen demand. 37. Code stands for option A carried oxygen demand, option B chemical oxygen demand, option C none, and the correct answer is B chemical oxygen demand. 38. When temporary hard water is boiled, which substance formed? Option A carbon dioxide, option B sodium chloride, option C hydrogen chloride, and the correct answer is C hydrogen chloride. 39. The method used for biological treatment are option A lagoon, option B activated sludge process, option C oxidation ditches, and option D all. Correct answer is option D all. 40. purest form of naturally occurring water is option A river water, option B marine water, option C rainwater, option D well water. And the correct answer is C rainwater. 41. The maximum desirable limit BIS of mercury in drinking water is option A 0.005 milligram per liter, option B 0.04 milligram per liter, option C 0.007 milligram per liter, and option D 0.001 milligram per liter. And the correct option is D 0.001 milligram per liter. 42. Maximum permissible limit of turbidity in drinking water is option A 10 NTU, option B 15 NTU, option C 20 NTU, option D 30 NTU. Correct option is A 10 NTU. 43. Common methods used for disinfection in water treatment is option A chlorination, option B UV light, option C both A and B, option D none. Correct answer is C both A and B. 44. During treatment of water, sedimentation is done. Option A before filtration, option B after filtration, after C during filtration, and option D all. Correct answer is A before filtration. 45. The maximum ratio of daily consumption to the daily average demand is option A 1.0, option B 1.3, option C 1.5, and option D 1.8. Correct option is D 1.8. 46. Board of treated water should be option A 10 ppm, option B 15 ppm, option C 20 ppm, and option D nil. Correct option is D nil. 47. Disinfection of drinking water is done to remove option A bacteria, option B odor, option C turbidity, option D all. Correct answer is A bacteria. 48. Chlorination of water does not remove option A board, option B DO, option C code, option D both C and B. Correct answer is B DO. 49. The level of underground water is called option A water level, option B invert level, option C water table, option D all. Correct answer is C water table. 50. The pH of water fit for drinking is option A 5, option B 7, option C 9, option D 11. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी 7. तो ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक MCQs ऑन वाटर एनालिसिस.